Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the net framework error message 0x80071ab1 error log failed that you are having an issue with on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix that guys issue. Go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Troubleshoot setting, click open it. Now click on other troubleshooters. Now click on Windows Update Troubleshooter, run it guys. It can hopefully resolve your problem guys. You have to restart the computer and then try running Windows Update again. I have a issue guys. If you not get proper shutdown, it can also able to resolve it. Here are two detected problems. Check for pending restart and check for Windows Update issue. Click yes and close out of the troubleshoot and click Windows Update on left side here, and pending restart here is guys pending restart, and one update is having. Click on download and install. After finishing this, go ahead and restart your PC guys. And supposed to get this, I supposed to get this. Somebody's not get these problems. Try this guys. Go to search menu and type services. Click run as administrator. Now you search for Windows Update troubleshoot guys. Now click on anything here and type WN keyboard. We can find easily Windows Update properties service. Windows Update having here Windows Update, double click on it and here open Windows Update properties. And now you just want to click on automatic over here. If their service status is stopped, you just click on start and apply and okay. After that, close out of here, go ahead and restart your PC guys. You can hopefully have resolved your problem. Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys. Thank you so much.